My kids only want ice cream in the summer, so I found a way to sneak in some veggies. This is my mint chip nice cream recipe for picky eaters. Alright, so all you're gonna do is take 6 frozen bananas, super ripe is best for sweetness, throw them in a food processor or a blender, add half a frozen avocado, a dash of mint extract, some baby spinach, which is really the best green to use because the flavor gets lost, milk, I like to use almond but any will do, blend that right up. You're gonna get this really nice creamy consistency. Fold in some chocolate chips, you don't want to blend them. Then just pour that into the loaf pan. Add a few more chocolate chips on top, and then just freeze that for 2 to 3 hours or until semi-firm. So what you're gonna get is this really delicious mint chip nice cream that your picky eaters are going to love.